spend my life trying not to be careless.
Never tell anybody outside the family what you're thinking of getting.
Women and children can be careless, but not men.
Spend time with your family? Good. Because a man who doesn't spend time with his family can never be a real man. And if by chance an honest man like yourself should make enemies, then he would become my enemies. And they'll never fear you.
My father's no different than any other powerful man. Any man who's responsible for other people.
I'm gonna make him an offer he can't refuse.
That's my family, Kay. It's not mine.